Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I just want to do a quick video and show you my little rebuild of the recirculation door on a 99 through 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm currently in the process of rebuilding my whole HVAC box. Don't mind my room, it's a mess. I literally have tools everywhere. I have doors. Literally I have tape there that I'm using to put on the top so that way when it goes to the outside vent it's sealed. You can see my other box there, my wiring harness. I mean, it's just crazy. So it's not usually like this, but anyways, I bought this door off of eBay. I didn't go crazy expensive for this door because I mean it's not really as important as these heat and AC door there. So basically I got this on Amazon for under 30 bucks. It has a nice aluminum pin. It's nice and heavy. It goes in there like that. So what you'll have to do is, it's pretty easy to install. You just take it like that. You've got two ends. You put it in there so that way your hinge is right there. What I'm going to do too is put some white lithium grease on that. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to make a mess, but I do highly suggest that. And then you take your pin and you just slide it in. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. And should be good to go. Let's see. Let me show you the window foam that I use. It's for windows, but foam window seal. It sticks quite nice. I'm going to be using it for all of the sealing on my box. This stuff isn't going to be exposed to heat as much, so it should last quite long. I'm gonna have to fix that little corner there, but it fits quite nicely. So anyways, I'm gonna leave a link to this door in the description. If you're gonna replace these, definitely go with the upgraded aluminum ones. I'd say this one is not as important because you can live without recirculation, you know, if you have to. It's not as important in my opinion. But yeah, anyways, I hope this video helped you. I see most people, they always skip showing how to install it, and I know it's pretty simple, but yeah. So you got your little stops there, boom boom. Yeah, just make sure those are aligned. That's actually supposed to be in between those two, so excuse me. But anyways, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace.